If customers can't find what they're looking for fast, they'll bounce. Smart product filters stop that from happening. With the Product Filter Module from ShopLentor, your shoppers can instantly filter by category, size, color, price, or anything you want. It's fast, flexible, and works with zero code. Here's how to activate it. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules. Open ShopLentor's Product Filter settings. Turn on the Product Filter module. Click Add Item to create a new filter. Choose from category, attribute, price range, search bar, or sorting. Customize the filter label, field type, layout, and behavior. No more endless scrolling. Shoppers can now sort by categories, brands, prices, sizes, or colors instantly. Enable AJAX filtering for faster results with no page reloads. And yes, it works seamlessly with both Elementor and Gutenberg. Customize every detail: checkboxes, radio buttons, color swatches, even product counts. Stores using advanced product filters see longer sessions, better engagement, and higher conversion rates because buyers can shop with confidence and speed. Ready to give your customers a better way to shop? Activate the Product Filter module with ShopLentor today and turn search frustration into fast conversions. Thank you.